Hello, here we go, Unit 6, Lesson 5. We're looking at surface area of prisms. Okay, so we already know the word area, and surface area is just a small extension of that learning that we've already had. And surface area is the amount of space covering the outside of a three-dimensional shape. So if we take a look over here, we have a three-dimensional shape as a cube. Every side is 16. Now if I unfolded that, I would create what's called a net, where all of these pieces together, if I folded them, I would be able to create this 3D shape. So these two are both representations of the same shape. Now a net is very helpful in finding surface area. To find, for example, one side of this cube, I would do 16 times 16, and I'd be able to find the area of just that piece. And then if I multiplied it by 6 times, I'd be able to find the total surface area that is on the outside of my cube. So let's go ahead and practice a couple. So for example here, we have what's called a rectangular prism. It's a rectangular prism because the base area is a rectangle and it goes all the way back 9 units long here. So all rectangular prisms or cubes have 6 sides. It has a bottom, a left side, a right side, a top, a front, and a back. Now your goal is you need to find the area for each of those sides to add them all together to find the surface area. So for example, this side here is 9 times 4. This is 36. If this is 36, then the other side must also be 36. My top is going to be 7 times 9, which is 63. So if the top is 63, then this area is also 63. And then the front is going to be a 4 by 7. And I can see the 7 right there, and that's 28. And the back must also be 28. And what you do is you add up each of those sides, all of these numbers, all 6 sides, and you would find its surface area. All right, we're going to do one last one. So, this time without a net. So this triangle, we're going to call the front. And then the front always has a back to it. Then it has, let's say, the bottom. So the bottom is going to be like this piece at the bottom of the shape. Then it's going to have a left side, call it a left side. Then it has this kind of bigger right-sided piece there. So this triangular prism has 5 sides. So what I want to do is find each of those 5. So for the front, my triangles are going to be 4 times 3 divided by 2, 6. The back, 4 times 3 divided by 2, 6. The bottom, we have 3 times 9, 27. The left side, so the smaller side, this side over there, that we can't really see, is 9 times 4, 36. And then the big side that we see, the kind of the pink one, is 9 times 5, 45. Now I'm going to add all these up. I'm going to get out a calculator quick to do this. And we get 45 plus 36 plus 27 plus 12, 120 units squared.